This plant is called longevity spinach. As this spinach grows, it will grow up for a little bit until it really puts on a lot of branches. Then it will grow along the ground, extending out about 6 feet. You can harvest the leaves and use them for a salad. We personally like to cook them down, and I'll show you what we did here. We harvested quite a few of the leaves. That took a while, I will say. But my sink was full, washed them off really well, and you can see how thick the leaf is. So it takes a little longer to cook than maybe some of your softer spinach. I had so much spinach that I filled 2 pots to cook on the stove. So I added water to the pot to basically steam the majority of the leaves, continuously stirring, but I only put probably 3-4 inches of water in there and just let it boil until it boiled down. I added some salt, pepper, and a little butter, and it was delicious. So we took out a little bit of spinach for the next day or two, and the rest of it we packaged so that we would have it for future use, and we put it in the freezer. Longevity spinach is a vegetable that's grown in the tropical regions very well. Regular spinach is grown more in the colder climates. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.